Hey there, welcome back to our CSS tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very important topic, pseudoclasses. A pseudoclass serves the purpose of defining a unique state of an element. So let's get started. In HTML, let's take the p tag and write some text. Maybe this is the YouTube link. To make this text a link, you can wrap this text in a tag or anchor tag. Now set the link of the YouTube site in ref, https://www.youtube.com. When you click on the link, it will redirect you to the YouTube website. We have already covered these pseudoclasses in the fourth video of this series, which is about link formatting. Let's begin by looking at unvisited links. By using the link selector, we can specifically target links that users haven't clicked on yet. In our code, we'll set the link color to tomato. Now, let's move on to visited links. Using the visited selector, we can style links that users have already clicked on. We'll change the link color to blue. When we visit this link, its color will change. Next, let's add some interactivity with the hover effect. When users hover over a link, we can change its color. By utilizing the hover selector, we'll set the link color to green. When you hover the cursor over the text, its color will change to green. Lastly, we'll focus on the selected link style. These are links that are currently being clicked on. By using the active selector, we'll change the link color to red. When you click and hold on it, the color will change to red. Pseudoclasses are a way to give a special state to an element. To do this, we select an element and add a class after a colon to define its unique state. These are pseudoclasses. Let's work with a div tag that contains the text hover me. We will style this div by setting its text color to white and the background color to black. To add an interactive effect, using the div hover pseudoclass, we can change its background color to yellow. When we hover over this text, the background will transition from black to yellow. To move further, let's comment out all of the code. Alright, let's talk about lists and how we can style them using CSS pseudoclasses. First, let's start with unordered lists, which are lists without any specific order. We can use the lead tag to create list items, with the text item 1. Now, let's copy this item and paste it 14 times to create a list of 15 items. Let's change the numbering from 1 to 15. Now, there's a useful CSS feature called the nthchild pseudoclass. We can change the background color of selected elements using this nthchild pseudoclass. To select any item from the list, we can target the li element and use the nthchild pseudoclass selector after the colon. Set the background color to green-yellow. This allows us to choose and style any specific item from the list. For example, if we want to select the first element, we use 1 in the nthchild. We can also select other elements by changing the number. This is handy when using JavaScript, as we can use variables to dynamically select items from the list. We can also style even and odd siblings differently. For example, we can make the background color of even siblings Dodger blue. To save time, copy this code for odd items. Let's write the word odd for each odd item. And the background color of odd siblings is light gray. This helps us alternate the highlighting of elements for better readability. So, these are pseudoclasses keywords that help us select and style specific elements based on their position or pattern within a list. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, activating the notification bell for future video updates, and leaving random comments.